Yeah, and all week long, Lacy, Deniz, and Billy V are profiling Buddha Is. Here's Lacy with more.
Really excited to share today's story. I got a chance to talk story with someone who knew the famous musician as a young boy in East Oahu.
He used to call me King Kong.
Sam Kong grew up with Iz. They were neighbors.
He yelled, "Buckaloos!" He lived on a lane, so we used to always play there. So his neighbors used to always scold us because Petrie Park was so close. They always yell and tell us play at the park, but it was more fun playing on his lane, right? This is where Israel was hanging out when he was pulling cafeteria duty, being the line monitor.
Kong recounts his Kaimuki school days at Waialae Elementary and Kaimuki Middle School with Iz in a book he's written affectionately titled Buckaloos.
One of those things, just having that friendship, that connection.
The adventurous duo were known to get into a little trouble.
So he's just laughing. I'm looking at Israel, what's going on? And he just turns around and he goes, Waikiki. Next thing I know, we're going down. We got off at Kapahulu. And we're going to Waikiki. The very first time I ever cut school.
Sam says he has so many memories with Israel, talking story, playing chase master, and running after the Manapua man. But above all, they loved walking to the store, gathering up 17 cents and buying kites.
And we'd fly it. And then I just wait to listen for his yell. He'd go, Buckaloos. And then I'd always reply, yow, right? And then watch it, and he'd buckaloos the kite. And we just stand there, and depending which way the wind blows, and we just watch it fly off.
It was at Kahala Mall where Sam recalls one of his most fond memories with Iz.
They just put in carpets. So we're so simple, we're so naive. We didn't know what to do with the carpet areas. So we took the slippers off of our feet, and we put them on our hands. So every time we came up to the carpet areas, we took the slippers off, we put them on our hands, and we walked on the carpet with our bare feet, figuring, we're not supposed to walk on carpet with our slippers, right? Then we're watching everybody else walk on the carpet with their slippers and shoes. What's the matter with them?
Israel would later move away from the neighborhood out to the west side of Oahu, and Sam ended up leaving the islands to join the military. But no matter the distance or time away from him, King Kong says he will always have aloha for his childhood friend, Israel Kamakawiwo'ole.
I'm just so proud, just so proud that who would have known, right? That my good buddy that did it. Yeah, so nice. And I get to listen to his music.
And we're learning more about King Kong and their time in school, I guess.
Yeah. I just got an email, and I had actually heard this before, and I forgot about it. Is that Sam Kong also turned out to be JPO captain later?
Fittingly.
Yeah.
There were so many memories, and I read through the book that Sam had wrote on Iz, and it was just so cute how this superstar, Israel Kamakawiwo'ole, he would, chase after the Manapua man and play chase master, just like all local kids. So it was really cool to hear his perspective of Israel.
Yeah, it's a fascinating look back.
Yeah, really cool. Well, our Beyond the Rainbow series continues tomorrow. We'll tell you about the musician's decision to go solo after his time with the Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau. We're also posting all these stories online at hawaiinewsnow.com, and next week we'll have even more web-exclusive pieces.
And by the way, Mountain Apple Company is honoring Israel Kamakawiwo'ole's legacy with the 25th anniversary Facing Future package. They'd like to share some of Israel with you. The CD, a coffee table book, a t-shirt. You can enter to win at the Hawaii News Now Facebook page by clicking on the link that says Beyond the Rainbow Giveaway.